Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use Adobe Firefly, which is basically an AI kind of thing where you could create and make images and take speech out of them. So basically, if you're here, welcome. If you have watched my videos before, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for my other videos to see later on. Okay, so here we have all the inspired communities and stuff where it shows all the pictures and all the videos that are inspired by other people. Here it just shows all the home boards, files, gallery, resources, about, and basically about is just what you want to learn about and all that. And then help, so you need help or anything, ask questions or Q&A questions and all that. So here are just the tutorials on how to use all of these. If you go resources, it just tells you on how to use what and all that. You could take a tour of Adobe Firefly, shape concepts and mood boards and Firefly boards. How to make content into an image in Adobe Firefly. Turn a sketch into a video seamlessly in Firefly. And then discover Adobe Firefly. And then all the other stuff. And also help articles if you need help on anything and you want to read something. So yeah, you could just discover it right there. Here it has your files and all that. It kind of just basically just shows all this of what there is over here. Just basically just a little kids just running away. If you guys don't know who Chikawa is, this is Chikawa over here, and I made it into something very different from what they really showed me, but yeah. Here was just Chikawa just like running around and just, yeah. Okay, so yeah, basically you could generate the video by going to here, and then you could describe the image on how you want. And I went to go photo videos, and then I want to go to image to video, or you could also click on text to video. So you could just add the text, which I did too. So and then image to video is just basically the same thing. But yeah, not really sure which one it shows, but here's the translate video, where it just translate all the new animations and all that to translate the audio into a video.
Whenever you're planning to hike or travel in a state or national park, there are a few key steps to take to ensure a safe and amazing adventure.
Okay, so yeah, basically it's just all that. You can make boards, and then you just make basically anything by like photoshopping and all that. There's also Adobe Home, Express, Photoshop, Lightroom, and Acrobat, and then more over here on the fonts and all of it via all apps. And then you could like learn to support, and then like all the other apps that you could download and like free trial. So you could open these on your website browser, so over here on the tab. And then these ones are just like downloads that you could have to buy and all that, use for free. You could use Adobe Express for free, which is another app for AI type. So yeah, welcome. What brings you to Adobe Express? So you could just add the educator. And then, yeah, you show all your stuff over here. Let me see. Sorry about that. And then we got generate image and then generate photo. So you could create a video right there. And then just basically just create your own type of video that you made in your Adobe. And then you could just put all your AIs into the video. So basically for Firefly, if you make a video, then basically you gotta pay for Pro, which is not that bad, but like, yeah, it's, you want to pay for stuff that you want to do later on in the video. So yeah, we could download it, and then here we just have the video saved over here, and then we can just close that, and then we could go over here to Adobe Express for education, and then we could just drop down or download, that's download, and then we could just upload our video onto here. So yeah, basically here, and then Let's see. Okay, so we got here the Firefly, Chikawa, and then it was over here. Okay, and then we could just basically here we just keep on going for the video, and then it'll just turn white for the rest of the part. If you guys don't know who Chikawa is, it's just basically a kind of TV show where it's on YouTube and all that. So, yeah. You guys can watch it. It's called Chiikawa. So, here it shows the animation of the video. And then you could also just add text, or you could also just basically like voiceover, which here, let me find voiceover. Just mute it or unmute it and all that. Let's see. We could go to Firefly too and just add generally the voiceover. So, yeah. Here, and then over here is the camera where you could just zoom out and zoom in. Let's see. It's kind of scary, yeah. So hopefully yeah, I don't know what I searched for. It's just pretty cool and all that. So we could all do is go to like generative AI too, and then we could generate any kind of image, generate a photo, and then you could just add your photo on here. So Chikawa running around the place structure and getting chased a police officer. Okay, let's see. This may take some of the time because it might take a little bit long time, but here's edit all the video that we have over here. Okay. Let's see how this works. Oh. Okay. Okay, we got Chikawa just running around and then getting chased by a police officer. Okay. And then we could also just download it by the side over here. So let's just download. Add audio. So add audio over here, and then we have record voiceover, so we could just add any kind of voiceover we want. So yeah, it could be allow permission. Okay, guys. Okay. He. Oh. Okay, so just take out this part. Oh. Okay. So we got here, and then just, yeah. Let's take out this. I don't know how to take out. Okay, delete. And then just oh. Alright. So we got here. We just got Chikawa. Okay. So we got the whole animation over here. We could add our video of a recording of ourselves and just add basically animate for ourselves as to making any kind of AI and all that. So let's see if we could add more. Let's see. Let's go to generative AI, and then we can create a video starting by the image, and then we can make a flying cat. Okay. So we can't make that one. all of those three run into a donut shop. Let's see what happens. All right, it's recording right now. Okay, might take some time. Okay. All right. So, yeah, basically, that's all we have for this video. So we basically have like 2 tries into doing this video. So yeah. Hope you like this video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification for more other videos to see later on in the next video, like more DIYs and all the.